Hello everyone and welcome to gohash, Bnglr. Indian Meteorological Department (IMD) forecasted heavy rainfall across Karnataka till Wednesday, owing to the persistent cyclonic circulation over the Bay of Bengal of South Andhra Pradesh and North Tamilnadu. As the withdrawal of monsoon is delayed, rains are likely to continue at least until the first week of October. In August, the state received 80% excess rainfall, flooding many districts across the state. This was the highest rainfall in Karnataka in 118 years. Yet, 46% of the state has received below normal rains, as much of the rainfall was concentrated in a few districts. Thank you for watching gohash, Bnglr. Subscribe us on YouTube and like us on Facebook.